Today I'm going to show you how to create a new activity using an activity starter template. You can quickly and easily create new activities from an activity starter template in the BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online editor. BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online includes more than 100 templates that help you create powerful interactive activities in minutes. The template guide provides a description, thumbnail image, variations, and suggestions for ways to use each template for instruction. To access the template guide, just copy and paste this link into a browser and it will take you right to the template guide. You can view the template guide right online on your computer, or you can download and print the template guide to look at it at your leisure. So right now, let's go to a template and create an activity. So we're going to create a new activity. So I can do it one of two ways. I can go from my home page and go create activities, or if I am in my BMOCreateUsingTemplates section of my BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online, I can go here to create activities. Once I get here, on the left hand side, I can search and filter by what activity type I want to search for. I can further filter the activities by the type of activity as well up here at the top. I can search only by print activities, I can search only by interactive activities, or I can search only by performance-based activities. If you know the name of the activity, you can just put the information in the search box and hit enter, and it will go right to your template. So the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to select sorting on the left hand side. There are 11 sorting templates in BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online. So let's bring them all up. So I hit sort and it brings up all 11 sorting templates. There are 8 interactive and 8 performance. They're both the same, and 3 print only activities. If I'm going to look at a template to see what it would look like to use in a lesson, I would hit show sample. So I'm going to hit show sample for 2 groups of 10 items, and it will open in BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online. So as you can see here, this is a recycling sorting activity. It has 2 sections, recycled and thrown away. And basically the student can click and drag to the appropriate area.
That's right, a can is recycled. That doesn't belong there.
So this is something that I can, not this exact activity, but this is a 2-column, 2-area, 10 items that I can use in my lesson. So if I want to get the template, here's what I need to do. I'm going to close this box, leave the area, and I'm going to select it. 2 groups, 10 items. I'm going to hit the select link. So here is the template. Most templates in BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online are called edit-in-place templates. Directions for populating an edit-in-place template are seen in red when you're in the online editor. The red words will not show when you are in play mode. Follow the directions using edit in place to complete the template. So we're going to select a button, and I'm just going to put bed, B-E-D, and hit enter. It will take me to all the different symbols that BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online has for bed. And if I want to use a particular symbol, click on it and hit the green select button here in the lower right hand corner. There it is. Let me try another one. I click on the button and I just type in closet, and I hit the enter key. And those are 5 symbols in BMOCreateUsingTemplates Online for closet. I'm going to select the second one, hit the green key, and we'll go right into the button. I can also search the web for symbols. So let's type in another word here. I'm going to put table, and I hit my enter key. Now I can search my media. So if I have pictures in My Media that I already have saved in My Media location in BoardMaker Online, I can search for My Media there. If I want to search the web, I hit Web Search, then I have to retype what I want to look for. Table, and then I'm going to hit the magnifying glass. And it's going to go out on the internet and find all different types of symbols or pictures of table. So I'm going to select this and hit enter. And there is the word for table, and it's an actual picture that we got from the web. So let me fill out the rest of this activity template and get back to you. Okay, now you see that I filled in all the buttons with different types of symbols, but I want to change the titles of the two groups. This one is going to say bedroom, this one is going to say kitchen. So I just got to click on it so it's highlighted and come over here where it says label. Get rid of group 1, and I'm going to put bedroom. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here and make that bigger font. Great. Now I'm going to go to group 2. I'm going to change that to kitchen. Make the font bigger. And now I've changed the two areas, one to bedroom and one to kitchen. Now I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to save the activity. And I'm going to name it Bedroom Kitchen Sort. So now once I save it, it's going to save to my activities that I can use it for my students. Now if I want to play the activity before I save it, I'll show you what to do. If I want to play this activity, I go up here to the play mode, click on it, and this is how it would look to the student. So we will try it.
That's right, sink belongs in kitchen.
Let's try a wrong one.
That doesn't belong there.
So that's how it would look to the student, and you can use it with him or her whenever you need to. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create an activity using a table-based template. The templates for a small number of activities in BoardMaker Online are completed by using a table instead of edit in place. So for example, I know this word scramble template is a table-based template. So let me show you what it looks like first. Let me show you a sample.
Spell the word soil. S O I L. You spelled the word soil.
So that's the template.
Spell the word land.
So let me get out of it. I want to use this for an activity. So I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to select it. Once I hit select, it's going to open up to a table with 3 columns. So here is the table with 3 columns. So to edit this table, go up here and double click. And now this, if you double click here, this will be the word you're going to spell. This is where you add the picture, and if you want to use the word, whether you want the system to pronounce the word for the student. So let me double click where it says blank text variable. Click again, and then I'm going to type in the word shark. If I hit my tab key, it's automatically going to go over to the next column, and it goes to the find symbol area. Watch. I'm going to hit my tab key, and now I'm going to type in shark up here, and I hit the magnifying glass, and here are different symbols for shark. And I want the system to use the word, to pronounce the word. So let me do it one more time. Double click, Click again, dark, hit the tab key. I type in dark again, hit the magnifying glass, select the symbol, and keep this true. So let me finish the activity, and it will come back to you. Okay, now I've added a couple more words and symbols. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to hit save. So right here, I don't want to hit save again because I don't want to save it as a word scramble. I'm going to go to File, Save Activity As. I'm going to save it as spelling. Save it spelling 1 and hit OK. So again, if I wanted to see how this activity looked in play mode, let me go to here to play and hit the green arrow.
Spell the word shark. S H A R K. You spelled the word shark. Spell the word mark. M R A K. Not quite, you spelled M-R-A-K. Try to spell mark.
And it takes me back to the beginning again. I hope this helps you create activities using the Activity Startup templates.